Let's start. 63. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Inspiro. Hacia arriba los brazos y aflojo. Ahora estiro. Stretch. And move your hip. Push from your toes. Go down. The other side. Very good. Muy bien, a tu lado, muevo la cadera hacia adelante y hacia atrás. Voy hacia abajo, down. Feet together. Step lunge, and stop. March. Paso, lunge y me quedo adelante. Mira. Derecha, izquierda, stop. Very good. One more time. Step lunge and walk. Step lunge, stop, and now slide side to side. March. Otra vez. Step lunge, stop, slide al lado y al otro y marcho. One more time. Go. Watch out. Slide. Step tap. Go. Step lunge. Pausa. Slide. Step lunge. Now, come forward. Balance, swing, and slide back. One more time. Step lunge, adelante. Giro hacia tres. Y me voy hacia atrás con el slide. Step down. Now arms. Look at your elbow and your hands. Circular hands and rolling. Very good. Arriba el codo. Me voy hacia atrás con círculos en las muñecas y rolling. Again. Step lunge. Now, slide back and step back and rolling. Woo! Go. New mark. Tap and twist. Tap and twist. And march to the diagonal. Yeah. Tap, stop, twist. Tap, stop, twist. One more time. Now we change the tap for kick, walk, kick, down, twist. Kick, down, twist. March. Siempre marcho la diagonal. Y a la derecha. Kick. Y a la izquierda, kick. Bien. Very good. Now we done. Up, down, and back. Yeah. Up, down, back. Up. One more time. Up, down, twist, back. Up, down, twist, back. Are you ready from the top? Step lunge, avanzo. Giro. Back. Rolling. Kick. Twist and back. Very good. Una vez más. Step lunge, avanzo. Come on. In between. Atrás. Rolling. Kick. Twist and back. Very good. Second part again. Segunda parte otra vez. Kick. 3 knees and step. 1, 2, 3. And march. Again. Kick. 3 rodillas. Mirad. Abro, cierro, abro. Marcha. One more time. Let's go. We have 2 and more now. 3 knees and bounces. Kick. 3 rodillas y 2 rebotes. 1, 2, 3. Rebote. One more time. We change direction now. To the front the knee and back with the bounces. Good. Very good. Woo. To the front. Go back. And stretch. Circle. Go down. Relax. So a stretch, push. Go up. And to the front. Circle to the other side. Go down. Stretch the leg. Push to the side, so as heel up. Now, arm side. To the front. From the top, step lash. Very good. 3. Slide and roll. Kick. Very good. Knee to the front. Bounces back. Come on. Woo! Very good. Muy bien. Rolling. Skip. Lash. Rodillas adelante y bounces atrás. Last time for everybody. You got it. Skip. Very good. To the front. Now for the final pose, one knee to the side. Thanks to watching me, you did a great job. Just go through the other tracks from Mix 63. Felicitaciones a todos los que hicieron el track, suscríbete y te recomiendo mi próximo video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here, and now check my next video.